This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a Frigidaire laundry center where the washing machine is not spinning and it's not agitating. You can hear the motor, but it's just not doing anything, and that's due to either a broken belt or a belt that's kind of worn out, just kind of slipping. So we're going to remove the front panel. We take off 2 Phillips head screws from the bottom, and we're going to use a standard head screwdriver to pry the panel down by about 1/2 inch to make it release. So I put the screwdriver in there near the top and just give it a little downward pressure, and that'll pry that panel off. Then you have really good access to the belt. So the belt's right there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to push in on the idler wheel with my left hand, and then I'm going to push down on the belt to get it off of that big pulley as I turn the pulley toward my left. And the belt actually just came off. Now to get it out is a little tricky because it's kind of pinched in there. What you can do is you can lift up on that big tub, the big white tub, so you can wiggle it out. Here's a new belt. You can get them for 14-15 bucks from Amazon. And once you get it, it goes on pretty fast and easy. All we got to do is kind of slip it in there. Again, there's very little room to work, so we have to finagle that big white tub, which moves pretty easily around to the right and to the left to wiggle that belt in underneath the pulleys. You got to get it underneath the big pulley, and you got to get it underneath the 2 smaller pulleys. The white one is the idler wheel, and the one on your right is the motor. So you got to get underneath all 3 of those, mainly that big pulley in the back. And then we'll go ahead and put the belt onto the brass motor pulley on your right, and then over the white pulley about in the middle, and then we're going to start to push it over onto the big pulley as we turn that big pulley to feed that belt on. I'm still just trying to get that belt to get further in underneath the big pulley and further away from me. I want to get it toward the back of the washer. So I'm just wiggling that tub around to finagle that belt into that small little area. I think I got it. So now I get it over those 2 pulleys in the front, and the white pulley, it has a spring load to it, so it's going to move away from me toward the back of the washer, and I'm going to feed it onto that bigger pulley, and then I'm going to turn that pulley with my left hand. I'm going to turn it away from me toward my left, and that's going to feed that onto those smaller pulleys. And now it's fed on, and that's about it. We got it. I'm grabbing the big transmission here, just spinning it by hand, making sure that the belt is on there, and it looks really good. You can actually start the machine and run it with this panel off. Just want to make sure you don't reach in there at all while it's running or while it's plugged in. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button, and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.